Hi guys! So today we are working on lesson 87, which is multiplying two-digit numbers together. So for this one, I'm really just going to go through a few different problems where we do that, and that'll be it. The first two will be fairly easy, and then I think the third one will make it a little more challenging. Okay, so let's get started. For the first one, we're going to do 34 times 12. Okay, so when we have two-digit numbers and we're multiplying by them, you guys should remember, we've done this before, we focus on the first digit first. So in this one we're going to focus on the 2, and we're going to do 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6. Next we're going to focus on the 1. Notice how the 1 is in the tens place, and we've talked about this before when we've done multiplying two-digit numbers times a one-digit number, I think. I don't know. Anywho, so since that 1 is in the tens space, we have to start working in the tens space. And usually how we remember to do that is before we do anything, we put a 0 in the ones place. So that way we know we're skipping the ones place, we're starting at the tens place where our number is. And I believe I've shown you this before, but we're going to just keep going. So now we have 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 times 3 is 3. So the answer for that one is 340. Now we're going to add our two numbers together, 68 plus 340, and that's going to give our answer of 108. So number 2, we're going to do 31 times 23. Again, we're going to start with our 3 in the ones place. 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. Then we're going to go again to the tens space, put that 0 in the ones space to jump us over. Then we do 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. We add our numbers together, and we get our answer 713. The last one, I'm going to make it a little bit trickier. I'm going to use even bigger numbers because these past two ones have been just hanging out in the teens and hanging out in the 30s and 20s. Let's go even higher. For this one, I'm going to do 87 times 96. Again, we start with our 6. 6 times 7 is 42. We put that 4 up on top, bring the 2 down right there. And 6 times 8 plus that 4 gives us 522. So now we jump to our number in tens place, the 9. Okay, and we're going to put a 0 down there first, like we have been doing. I'm not going to draw the line this time, but put the 0 in the ones place, and we do 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63. I scratched out my 4 because I didn't want to confuse myself, so I put the 6 up there, 3 on the bottom, and I do 9 times 8 plus 6, and that's going to give me 78. So now I have to add together 522 and 7,830. Okay, and when I do that, I get my answer, 8,352. This is another one of those lessons where I feel like I've kind of already shown you this before at some point, or that we've already kind of been doing this to some extent. This was just, I guess, me working through step by step to give you guys a little bit of, a guidance to see what's going to happen with it. Let me know if you need any help. I'll be around. Oh, this is our last full week of school. Next week, we don't have school on Friday because we're all done. I'm going to try to get us to lesson 90 is I think where we're going to stop. So I believe we are on track to do that. Let's see, tomorrow I'll do 87 and Monday do 88, 90 and corrections. Yeah, so I believe we're on track. The way that I've been posting things, I believe we're on track for that. That's my goal. We'll see what happens. Maybe we don't get there. Maybe we do. I don't know. But yeah, so yeah. That's it. Alright, so let me know if you need any help on anything. I'll be around, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.